Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and why the price is dropping right now. If you're sitting out there and you're looking at your screen or you're trying to look at your crypto.com or your Coinbase or whatever exchange you bought it on and you're like, man, this thing is dropping and what's the bottom and where are we going to go from here? That's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about why Dogecoin is dropping, and we're also going to talk about the fact that where we could look for some support at. And we're going to talk about the overall state of the union as it relates to the overall crypto market and the impact it's having on Dogecoin. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. As always, thank you for your support of my videos and my channel. I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for giving me a voice in this crazy crypto world here on YouTube. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Here we go. Let's go take a look at what is going on. If you're interested in my Patreon group, there's a link below where you can go check it out. I've got a supporter level, inner circle level. I've got a Discord private community over there. You can direct message me at the inner circle level. You get access to my portfolio. You get access to even more direct message and access to me. You also get access to my portfolio, what I'm holding, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. You're also going to get access to weekly hot crypto tips. These are cryptos they've got some momentum and things are going on. So if you care about that and you want to check that out in the link below. Okay, so let's talk about Dogecoin. Why is Dogecoin dropping and why is it going down and kind of what does it mean? Okay, so I will cut to the chase. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I thought it was time to address it head on. Why is Dogecoin pricing going down? Right here, simply put, Dogecoin is dropping because the overall market is dropping. I mean, the overall market has gone down so dramatically, a lot. That didn't work out. That sentence did not go like I meant it to. And you got Bitcoin starting to tease with that $30,000 support level. You start to get a lot of nervous people, and we've been gradually inching down down this path for a while. Okay, and so yes, this is a Dogecoin video, but you also, when you're looking at Dogecoin, you have to look at the overall market, because Dogecoin is, being in the top 10 overall cryptos, it's number 8 with a market cap of 22 billion and change. It is moved by the overall market conditions, which are really truly at the end of the day controlled by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Where BTC and ETH go, the rest shall follow. Okay, and so we have been in this really bearish market for a good 4 to 5 weeks, give or take. I mean, it feels like an eternity. And I think we're going to be here for a little bit longer. I had done some videos earlier where I talked about, I felt like we might start coming out of it in the last week of July. And that feels like it's being pushed a little bit. The bear cycle is just kind of continuing to hold on and continuing to hold on. And it looks like we're going to absolutely go through the end of July. And into August, September is kind of where we look to, where it looks to pick up. But Austin, you said it was going to be in July. I realize that's what I said, but I'm also going to own the fact that I said that. And I'm also going to own that all I'm really doing is I'm really a reporter here, right? I'm really trying to help you navigate these waters and bring you the best information that I can in this particular moment in time. Okay, so with that, I want to show you this article that was over on CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin price analysis. And this kind of gives us an idea as to some possible support levels. Okay, so right here, Dogecoin still capped under 20 cents. Downward action appears unstoppable. Robust support at 16 cents allowed bulls to bolster the price past 20 cents, but the upswing was short-lived due to the lack of enough buying pressure, or buying power, if you will, pressure to move it up, right? For now, Doge trades at 18 cents, but losses will likely surge in the upcoming sessions, therefore jeopardizing the primary support at 16 cents. The longer Dogecoin stays under 20 cents, the stronger the bears become. Note that a daily close under 16 cents could extend the bearish action towards below 10 to 16 cents. I mean, that's what they're saying, right? If sideways trading action takes precedent as per the outlook of MACD, Dogecoin will be pivotable between 16 and 18 cents for some time. The RSI seems to confirm the possibility of consolidation at the time of this writing. Okay, so let's look at this. Is a 1 hour chart. Okay, so we've had this going on for, each candle represents an hour. I apologize, I didn't say that the right way. Okay, so we've had this. Now, it looks like what we've got here is potentially the beginning of that kind of that sideways consolidation action. Now we've only got really what 3 hours worth of trading volume, because each candlestick represents an hour. Okay, so we'll see if this does kind of transpire. Okay, now it looks like we've got that sideways, which is exactly in line with what that article over on CoinMarketCap talked about. It's like we've got, potentially this sideways action that's right here. See, there's 18. So right here, this is 18. This line right here. Let me draw it for you. Let's see. Right here's 8. Well, I can't draw it good enough, but there's 18. And here is 16. Okay, so there's your two levels. Now we are trading absolutely, in between those, right? And so if this sideways action continues, then we've got some really good support level in this capacity. Now, let's go back. Okay, let's talk about this. Here's the thing. Straightforward, head on, going to talk about it, going to deal with it, going to talk about the elephant in the room, whatever metaphor you want to use. If Bitcoin drops below 30,000, which is entirely possible in the short term, Dogecoin will continue to head down. Dogecoin is headed down because it's being pulled down by the overall market condition, and Dogecoin is being pulled down because there's really no catalyst going on right now around it. Okay? And that's just the truth. That's just the bottom line. In my opinion, Dogecoin is not dead. I know I get comments on videos like this, like Dogecoin's dead, you should be getting out of it. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. Totally cool, right? But I look at this as a long-term hold. You've got global, worldwide media events happening in first quarter of 2022. The Doge rocket, the satellite that was paid for with Dogecoin, all that will bring Doge back into the media's attention, which will bring millions and millions of people back into the fold of like, oh, what's this Dogecoin thing? I need to be looking at that. I need to put $100 in. I need to get into that. You've also got fourth quarter. Fourth quarter is absolutely, everybody agrees that fourth quarter of 2021 is when the bulls will start to definitely begin their bulls will begin their bull run in the overall crypto market. Period. End of story. That's not me saying it. That's everybody's pretty much agreeing to that. Every single YouTuber and guys that are bigger than me here on YouTube are talking about that. And so my point to you is that's a fourth quarter situation. So Doge will go up with that. Okay. You've also got that other major catalyst out there with the development going on around Doge, trying to get the fees lowered and all that kind of stuff, which will help it in the long term. You've also got that other development out there that's Elon and taking payment for Tesla. That will be global, worldwide news that will absolutely just propel Doge. So why is it dropping right now? Again, overall market conditions are being pulled down and a lack of catalyst right here, right now in the short term. I want you to understand and know that I get it. I own Doge and I'm in this boat with you. And it is what it is right now. And I'm not being flippant in the word of the day. I'm not being flippant in that comment. But I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to take a loss when I know that this is going to go back up. I firmly believe that. And that's how I'm looking at it. So again, I wanted to make a video, address the elephant in the room. Why is it dropping? And kind of give you kind of an overall state of the union. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. And I truly, genuinely thank you for your support of my channel. And it will be okay. I realize that looking at your overall, your exchange accounts, like I got crypto, Coinbase, I'm like, ugh, I don't even look at them anymore. And I've got a lot of holdings in there. So, but with that said, you can flip this and you can look at Doge, just go, okay, it may be a buying opportunity for Doge or some of your other favorite cryptos, Cardano, Ethereum, whatever it may be. It's getting really, really, really close to the time where I'm about to really go shopping, myself personally. Okay. So anyway, thank you for your support. As always, truly appreciate you. Take it easy. Bye.